Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Dinesh. So today we will discuss about the concept of profile in the Salesforce training series. So in the previous lecture we have discussed so many part. We have covered administrator part. So if you have not seen, so please go to the description box. You will find all the videos links so you can see, and then definitely I am assured that you will learn a lot and from the scratch. So I am covering all the things from the scratch. So that is the very important thing for all of you. So for the beginners, so today we will discuss about the concept of profile. So what is the meaning of profile in Salesforce? So that is a kind of security part in the Salesforce. So that comes under the access and permissions in the Salesforce. So what is the actually role played by the profile in the Salesforce? For example, if we will take an example of any organization, so there are the so many hierarchy. So, for example, management, director, CEO, CFO, vice president, vice chairman, n numbers of hierarchy are there. So in the Salesforce provide, there are the so many concepts, so many features for this kind of hierarchy, means which hierarchy will access all the record or not. So we can restrict the users to particular see the object or record level security, profile level security, user level security, even role level security. So suppose if we want to don't we do not want to display any object to the particular user, so we can hide from them. So that is the kind of flexibility of features provided by the Salesforce. So that is the thing provided by the profile, means user can access any object, any data, any tabs, any records, any fields as per. So we can customize as per our own area or as per our own needs, as per our requirement or organization requirement. So that is depends up to you, up to the users. So what are the fields should be visible to the users or not. So we can restrict all the features, all the tabs, data, IP address, even we can also restrict the login timing. So these are the things we can do in the profile. We can perform following operations. Suppose for first one is the work with the assigned application. So suppose if we assign any particular application to the user, so that user only can work on the particular application. Second one is the object setting. We can setting or we can customize the object setting, and that user only can be access only particular object or tabs or records or page layout. So we can set, we can customize app permission. So it's up to the administrator part. So next one is the work with login hours. Suppose our organization timing is 8:30 to 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. So all user can be able to access particular this particular domain, Salesforce domain, within a particular time frame. So we can restrict also the timing, and even we can restrict the login IP range. Suppose we want to owner want to see how many users can do in the organization IP address or beyond the IP address. So we can set or we can customize as per our needs. If we do not want to beyond the organization hours, so we can only restrict particular IP address. So that is a kind of flexibility, kind of features, kind of customization we can perform through the profile level security. So Salesforce provide the ready-made facility, that is a kind of sometimes few these are the types of the profiles. First one is the system administrator. So system administrator can do everything, means he or she is the also responsible, can have the control on the Salesforce environment. So suppose if we want to edit, he or she can be added. And second one the standard users, next one is the standard platform users. So we can see all the users, all the platform or profile in the Salesforce environment through the hands-on practice. So these are the kind of profiles provided by the Salesforce, and each one have the own facility or on characteristics or features for the user perspective. So let's begin the demo. Go to the Salesforce environment. So I am logged with my login ID or organization or org. So this is my org of the Salesforce. So we are working on the Salesforce Lightning app. So now we want to create in the today agenda is the profile. So how we will see the profile, where it will be visible or not. So nothing to do, just go to the quick find and type profile. So all the profiles which will be visible here or will be available. So click on the profiles. So here you will see all the n number of profile that is given by the that is provided by the Salesforce environment. So we can see there are so many things, so many profiles are available in our org. So you can see a number of, first one is the analytic cloud integration users, user license, which type of user license we are using. So all everything is mentioned here. So you can see each one have analytic cloud, authentic website, a number of profiles are available here. Then you will see we have already customized. So you can see here the custom application, custom field we have created. So that's why you can see here that is the checkbox or right symbol. Next one is the, you can also go to the next. So you can see a number of profile that is available in the our organizer. So you can see that is the standard user, system administrator. These are the two main important profiles in the Salesforce org. So that is we all of us should work on these two types of the standard user or system administrator. So most of the we will use these two types of the kind of profiles. So that is very useful or mostly used profiles, and we can also use as per our needs. We can also use other applications. So first of all, you can see here the option edit and clone. So profile, actually all the profiles already inbuilt or ready made available by the Salesforce. So we should not nothing to create an profiles on self. We can do create our new profiles, or but we should inherit all the profiles that is already available, so in our customization. For example, here clone means here just a copy of this type of profile. We can copy all the features of particular profile in our new customized profile. So whenever we go to the go to the to create new profile, so we just clone the particular profile in the already existing profile. So how we will do that? So if you want to create a new profile, so go to the new profile. So here you will see existing profile means all the profiles are ready-madely available by the Salesforce. So you can see here, so all the profiles will be displayed here. So which one should be used? So most of the time we use system administrator or standard user. So now, so this that is the existing. Now we want to create a new profile. So we can provide the name. For example, we can provide suppose XYG. That is the new profile we want to create. Save. So this profile we are going to create. So congratulations users with this profile. So that is the kind of profile we have already created. Now what we do, we will use the this thing clone. So clone nothing but that is the kind of clone all the features of the existing profile which we have already selected. So we have selected the system administrator. So we clone it. So all the features, all the functionality of the Salesforce will be available in the this new profile. So profile name existing profile we have already created, so there is no need to kind of things. So that is the we can do cancel, otherwise we can go to the proceed, we can proceed. So that is a kind of things can be provided. So you can see here, this is the profile that we have already created. XYZ sales user license, that is the Salesforce custom profile because we have created, so all the things are mentioned here. Console setting, page layout, we can do everything. It's depend, or it's up to us, up to you. So what you want to do in the Salesforce organizer, we can do everything. You can see here, this is the next layout, custom object layout. So in this type of, we can set, we can assign everything whatever we want as per our requirement. Field level security. So suppose we want to restrict some field to the particular user, we can do that here, or by default all the things are a view label, so we can restrict everything. So that's all about the profile, how we will manage. So you can see here the standard object permission, all the things are available to the checkbox. So generally we should in practice, I think all the things should not be provided. We have to restrict our limitation, our restriction to the particular new user. So that's why he or she should not be able to see all the things that we have already created. So it's up to us whatever we want to display or not to the particular user. So we can restrict every tab, object, users, records, fields, even timings. In particular timing, he or she can be login in that particular org, Salesforce org, and even we can restrict to the application on which a particular user can work or not. So it's up to the system administrator. So these are the kind of profile in the Salesforce environment. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Thank you.